are many things I do not know in this life, but one thing I do know is this. You are like nothing I have ever seen before. Your hands are unfamiliar terrain to a traveler who thought they'd seen it all. It's surprising how much they feel like home. When they enclose around my balled up fist and you squeeze and you say, hey baby, nothing is ever as bad as it seems. It's a bad day, not a bad life. It's all right, go to sleep. And when you wake up, today will have ended and tomorrow is another chance. And I gotta say, that when it comes to having patience, you do it with a grace that makes dealing with me look easy. I am sick of dynamite lit from both ends. It's just a matter of time before the flames lift at my soul and I explode into a spray of ash and bone, my body scattering into the wind more free than I have ever been. I took out all of my bones and replaced my whole skeleton with nightsticks and knives just in case I needed to protect myself against what I do not know. I may never know, and I may not know a lot of things in this life, but one thing I do know is this: I am not easy to deal with. I am a natural disaster, shaking foundations and busting out windows with the fury of my pounding heart, swirling debris around my fingertips, and destruction is left in my wake wherever I go. But you never cared about any of that. You took the outline of your body, threaded it through a needle, and used it to sew up the holes I gave to myself. You chased the monsters out of my head, brushed the chaos from my palms, and replaced the stormy nights with sunny days in my bones. Each became a piece of a memory. Every day you ever spent with me, until the knives became balloons and we released them into the wind amidst childish laughter I had forgotten I had ever known. And the nightsticks became the clouds whose shapes we could never quite figure out using the given forms of this world. So we left those up to our imaginations until they became us. And we were happy. And I may not know a lot of things in this life, but one thing I do know is this: when the darkness comes, stretch your hand out into it, and if it passes on through, then so can you, until you get back to the light that you had before it came. And when it passes, turn back and say thank you, because you know now that some things are stronger than the darkness.